guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. I've partnered with FabFitFun today to bring you guys the fall box. We're going to be unboxing the fall box together. I am so stoked about this. The fall box is usually always my favorite. If you're unfamiliar with FabFitFun, it is a super awesome subscription service. This is definitely the best. Like, it takes the cake in the subscription box world. You get a giant box, literally the one sitting behind me is exactly what you'll get. It has over $200 worth of product in it. Full-size product, I might add. No sample sizes here. It has beauty, fashion, lifestyle, makeup, skincare, everything you could think of that a girl loves, honestly. It's basically like Christmas. I kind of like to think of it as the box that Mrs. Claus would send out. Santa sends the toys and the necessities and things like that, but Mrs. Claus is in the back cooking up some FabFitFun, sending it to her girls, which is us, because she knows what we truly want, and that is beauty, lifestyle, makeup, fashion, skincare. Amazingness. I'm so hyped right now. Like I said, the fall box is usually always my favorite box. The best part, it's only $49.99, and again, it is a subscription, so this will come 4 times a year. It is an annual subscription. It comes with every season, like winter, summer, spring, and fall, and you guys can save $10 on your subscription by using the code SHAE, which is super awesome. I will link FabFitFun in the bottom box down below, as well as my code. Now, FabFitFun just started this new system where you can actually customize what comes in your box. If you want to ensure you're going to love everything, you can actually pick it out. So I'm going to show you guys what I got in my box. So let's get into this, but be sure to sign up for FabFitFun so you guys still get the chance to pick out everything for your box. All right, let's tear into this guy. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I love FabFitFun. I truly love the value in it. It's definitely my most valuable box that I have. I mean, over $200 worth of product is crazy. Oh, I thought this was one of the Olsons. It's Christina Applegate! Who does not love Christina Applegate? That is amazing. So this is a certain reason why I love FabFitFun. It always comes with this like little magazine issue thing. It actually has real life articles in it, things that you can read, but not only that, it describes the products to you, lets you know the cost, let you know where you can pick them up if you maybe want to replenish it after using it. I'm so excited. Let's get into this, but I also want to let you guys know, because I feel like no one knows this. FabFitFun is more than just the box. It's more than just the products you get in the mail. The membership comes with a lot. You can access FabFitFun TV, there's cooking stuff, there's fitness stuff. You get notifications right away about crazy sales that are going on, and they're exclusive to you guys. No one else can get them unless you're a FabFitFun member. All right, enough of my rambling. Let's get into this. So right away I see this, and this is awesome because I actually eat these. They always have, FabFitFun always puts really cool coupons and special deals in their box. This is to enjoy $3 off of 1 box of Luna bars from Amazon, which is sick. I love Luna bars. These are the Luna Rika. Life's richer with Rika. Is that it? Rika? I think it's Rika, but that's awesome though. $3 is not a bad coupon off a box of 12 to 15 granola bars. I'll take it. It also comes with another code where you can purchase something off of the FabFitFun website for $10 off. It says in here, the fall box is supporting Christina Applegate's nonprofit, Right Action for Women, which provides financial assistance for women who are at increased risk for breast cancer. So that's really cool to know that your money's going to a good place. What? Okay, I swear I'm not just screaming for no reason. This is like the craziest box we've gotten yet, and I'm not even kidding. This is insane. So the first thing right off the bat is the Luna Rika bar. This is not what I'm screaming about, but I'm still like uber excited. Salted caramel nuts. Oh, so now you can try it. You can make sure you like them before you place your order. This, I can't believe is in here. We have 2 Glam Glow bubble sheet masks. This is such a high-end brand. I mean, you guys know you can buy this at Sephora. They're definitely not cheap by any means, so that is exciting. A weekly bubble detox to put your skin in its happy place. And you got 2 of them, you know? They didn't just send you 1, you get 2. What a bang for your buck. It's an oxygenating? Is that a word? Yeah, that sounds right. Oxygenating deep cleansing mask. That is awesome. I could use some deep cleansing. My pores are a nightmare right now. I'll probably try this on Snapchat or Instagram Live and let you guys know what I think of it, because I'm actually really interested in this. The next thing that I see, ooh, a shower gel. So this is by Skin & Co. It's the Blue in Capri shower gel with notes of alpine rose, sage, wild basil, and autumn blossom. And it's limited edition. You know I have to smell everything. If something comes with a scent, you better believe I'm putting my nose in it. I really want to eat that granola bar. Oh wow. This is such a clean, fresh, and kind of fall-y scent. I love this. And you know what? To me, it smells kind of unisex. This is something you could put in your shower, and your husband or your boyfriend or your brother or whoever, your dad, they might love to use this. It smells like a really light, beautiful cologne, like unisex cologne, in my opinion. I really like that. I run out of shower gel like crazy, so that is super exciting. Next up, I can't even believe this. We got Bluetooth headphones, my friend. Bluetooth headphones. Like, what? So these are by Cobra. They are wireless earbuds. This is crazy to me. So what I love about these, it's actually what I hate about my current ones. Oh, what is that? Oh, the charging cord and everything. Came with a little charging cord so you can charge that right up. I love that these are connected because the AirPods that I have right now, I keep losing one of them. It takes me forever to find it. You guys know I have to listen to podcasts or music or books while I go to sleep. I know everyone thinks I'm crazy, but I wear headphones to go to bed. I have to. Alok snores so badly and I can't stand it. So I have little Bluetooth earbuds, but by the time I wake up, I've lost them and I don't know where they've gone. So I love that this one's on a cord, so I will not lose it. I want to feel if they're comfortable. Oh, they're super comfortable and they like fit in the ear good. I'm sorry if I'm screaming. I like can't hear anything. It like feels like they won't come out. They like suction in and I can't hear anything out here. So it feels a little noise canceling. That is awesome. Talk about beauty and lifestyle. I can't believe we got headphones. And it's all about Bluetooth now that Apple changed their little, you know, headphone hole to be the most annoying thing ever. That is so amazing. What is this? Grown Alchemist Botanical Beauty Hydra Restore Cream Cleanser Olive Leaf Plantago Extract. What? Oh wow. This is cool. It's free from skin aging toxins and carcinogens. No anything in here. There's no lauryl sulfate. There's no petrochemicals. There's no artificial fragrance. There's no nitrosamine releasers. No DEA. No TEA, no T, no parabens, no paraffins, no synthetic colors, and no glycols. Holy hell. This is like the sensitive skin's dream product. This has, oh, I like how the writing's upside down. Like normally you would read it like this, but it's upside down and read it like that. I think that's cool. So it's a gentle cream cleanser to remove makeup, cleanse and condition your skin without dehydrating and irritating, leaving it looking soothed, purified, and perfectly prepared for moisturizing. Does that not sound like heaven? I've never, whoa, this is cool. It's almost like it's hair color. It's got a little pokey tip. I feel like I'm back in cosmetology school right now. That was fun. Goodness, there it goes. Every FabFitFun video, I get something on my nose. Okay, so like they said, there's no artificial fragrance. It smells clean and earthy, and it's not a heavy smell whatsoever. It's actually extremely faint. I love this packaging. It's like the metal, or not metal, the foil that like hair color comes in. 3.38 fluid ounces, a good amount of product. I'm excited to try this. Next up, what is this? I love when we get things like this in here. What is this, a towel? So this is by Simply Whimsical. It's a homemade pretty towel. Oh, cute. These are like kitchen towels. Oh, this will totally go with my aesthetic too. This is like the color of my kitchen walls. These are pretty, they're simple. They look like really large too. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is exactly what I need. I never have enough rags. And this one's actually pretty. I won't even want to use them. These are like good decorating ones. And handmade. Can you believe it? You can tell by the way it feels. There's like a different type of texture that's quite pleasing to me. I like it. I might even leave these in my makeup room just to kind of help out in here because I think those are super cute. So this is amazing. There's a Crown brush set in here. These are Crown Pro brushes. It says for pros by pros. And it's a 6-piece brush set. Now you guys know I have more makeup brushes in the world than anyone ever needs to. So I don't open mine because I like to donate these directly to women's shelters. But Crown brushes are fantastic. They're legendary. They are icons. This is a beautiful set. You have a face powdered brush, a contouring brush, and some eye brushes like blending brushes, angled brushes. And what a cute little wrap to keep them in. This really is like a little mini pro set. Again, I don't take the wrapping off mine because I love to donate these directly to women's shelters because, I mean, I know it's simple, it's makeup brushes, but I think as we all know as makeup lovers, something as small as new makeup brushes make you feel really, really good. I'm excited to donate these. This is such a nice little set. And like I said, Crown brushes, beautiful quality, really great stuff. What do we have here? This is by Touch in Soul. I love their brand. I have lip stains that I bought from Sephora like years ago that I loved. I never tried anything else, but this is the metallic liquid foil lipstick duo in the shade Penny there. Looks like it might be a nice nude. Gotta love a lip duo. Oh, wow. That's pretty cool. So it's a little 2-in-1, like literally. I just took off my lip color to the best of my abilities. There's a little glitter hanging behind here, but let's try this out. So again, this is in the shade Penny. What do you do first? Okay, so this is the liquid, the more metallic looking side, not the glittery side. You do first. I don't hate this. Wow. Okay, this is really cool. This is an awesome fall metallic lip. You guys know I'm usually not the biggest fan of metallic lips, but I don't mind this one because it's dark enough where I don't feel silly wearing it. Oh, it also dried down to a nice matte, but it's not a heavy cakey matte. It's interesting. It's like it melted right onto the lips. It's super cool. Let's try the gloss side. Oh, whoa. Okay, how cool is this lip? I kind of feel like a rock star in this lip. Like, this is something like Gwen Stefani, like back in the 90s would wear. Ah, I love this. That gloss, like, took it to the next level. I love it with the gloss. Again, this is in the shade Penny. Let me know if you got a different shade, and I'm curious to see what other shades they have, because I love this idea of the duo, little 2-in-1, and then you have everything you need together. I think this will be fun for fall. It's super cool. I would love this lip with, like, a really dark, chocolatey, smoky eye, like, just everywhere. Like, super dark and grungy, and then this lip, super cool fall look. I say this every single time, but these videos go way too fast for me because I look forward to the FabFitFun boxes so much, and then I get down to the last few items and I'm like, no, I have to wait months now. It's like a total bummer, but at least you can always buy things on the website too for a discounted price, just saying. This is crazy. This is an Alfred ceramic and stainless steel teapot. Like, girls, we got a teapot, me and you. I cannot wait to see what this looks like. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to see what this looks like. Oh, that is darling. What? I'm gonna cry. For some reason, teapots make me like really sentimental. Like, it just feels homey, doesn't it? I think I have like a lot of memories from teapots. Well, one time I got 3rd-degree burns on my body from a teapot, but now I learned how to teapot safely. This is the cutest teapot I've ever seen in my life. No, and it does not. This is my favorite. This is my favorite. You guys know I'm very into tea leaves, like real tea leaves that you can buy and you strain yourself. This is exactly what you would put in your teapot, and this is what the teapot looks like. How cute is this? I love the beautiful flowers on here. I love the light blue color. I am too excited for this. I will literally bring this up to my makeup room while I'm filming and put my tea in it and have a nice warm tea, because you know this keeps your drink warm for a while, right? Like, they are fantastic. I can't believe how well this fits in there. Like, that is so cool. And of course, you don't have to have it in there if you don't want to, but like the fact that it even has a lever to take the tea out, I think is brilliant. Pour ourselves some little tea. I might just send one of these to all of the drama channels because I think it would brighten their day. Some beautiful tea. No, I'm kidding, but this is awesome. This is super duper cool. Oh my gosh, FabFitFun. Okay, we're down to the last product, and I'm hyped and I'm sad at the same time. Like, I'm in a glass case of emotions right now. We actually got a beauty blender in this. This is crazy. So I don't typically use beauty blender, but I know everyone loves them. Is this just the original? Yeah, just the original beauty blender. That is super awesome. I love that it's in black because I get things so dirty. This is crazy. This stuff is expensive. This, the Glam Glow mask, like, you buy these things in Sephora. Bluetooth headphones. This box has been unbelievable. Legit. This is my favorite box we've gotten in a long time. I'm sorry, I just gotta hold this teapot. I am so happy and excited about this teapot. This is my new baby. And if you didn't need one, if you already have a teapot that you use, the holidays are right around the corner. Talk about a beautiful gift. Like, this is adorable for any tea lover. I wish I would have had one of these for like my entire life. Like, why didn't I have a teapot with a little strainer in it? That is ideal. Ideal. I am so excited. This box was fantastic. It did not disappoint whatsoever. Please let me know if you guys are a member of FabFitFun as well. I want to know what you got in your boxes. Did we get the same colors of things? Does your teapot look like mine? I'm actually really curious about that. This was absolutely too much fun. I'm sad that it's over. I cannot wait for the next holiday FabFitFun box. It'll be here around holiday time, which is so exciting. There's going to be some good stuff in that one. If you guys want to check out FabFitFun, of course, again, I will link it down below. Use my coupon code SHAE for $10 off. It is not an affiliate code. I will not make commission off that. It'll just save you guys $10. Thank you guys so much for watching today, and thank you to FabFitFun for continuously letting me do these unboxing videos for you guys. It's so much fun for me. It's absolutely one of my favorite videos to do because I truly love and believe in the product, and I hear such great things from you guys too who love it just as much as I do. Thank you guys for watching, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye.